Creating artistic lettering designs like this one in CorelDRAW can often be a real challenge. Traditionally, designers use the pen tool or the freehand tool to trace such detailed artwork, and while this method gives you precise control, it also takes a lot of time and effort. Not only does it require patience, but it also demands a high level of expertise to make sure every curve and stroke looks perfect. For many beginners, this process can feel overwhelming and frustrating. But here's the good news today. I'll show you a much simpler and faster technique to achieve the same results in CorelDRAW. Instead of spending hours manually tracing each letter, we'll use a method that allows you to transform this kind of hand-drawn typography into a clean, editable vector design in just a few minutes. With this approach, you won't need to worry about complex tracing or perfecting every single detail. The process is smooth, efficient, and saves a lot of time, while still giving you professional quality results. So whether you're a beginner looking to build confidence in your design skills or an experienced designer who wants to speed up the workflow, this tutorial is going to help you a lot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert inspiring, hand-lettered artwork like this into a vector format inside CorelDRAW quickly, easily, and without any unnecessary hassle. But the good news is that with the help of Chatgpt Sora, we can make this entire process much faster and easier. Instead of tracing everything manually, I first create a unique and highly detailed image using Chatgpt Sora. This gives me a clean, customized design on a plain white background, which is perfect for vector conversion. After generating the image, I simply copy and paste it into CorelDRAW. From there, I use CorelDRAW's powerful tracing tools to turn the design into a fully editable vector in just a few minutes. The advantage of this method is that it saves a huge amount of time while still giving you professional quality results. You don't have to struggle with drawing every single line by hand. The OWL-generated artwork provides a solid base, and CorelDRAW helps you quickly convert it into a clean vector file that you can edit, resize, and customize however you like. So if you want to create stunning lettering designs like this without spending hours tracing, this technique is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to generate your artwork using Chatgpt Sora, prepare it for vectorization, and then convert it inside CorelDRAW, all in a way that's simple, fast, and highly effective.